Ag-brown pa dyan ni garlic.
Yan.
Okay.
Nag-brown na siya.
Nag-brown na siya. And then, chung chung chung. Papigsain mi dyan ni papigsaan mi dyan ni apoy na. So it's gonna be like that. Look. Ayan. Ayan. Kiwar, ganun. Gentle ang pag mix, pag kiwar. Cook it gently. Ay, okay. With, ano na yan? Anya laitan? Parsley. So yummy. Oh. No. And mind you guys, yung shrimps namin is very expensive, ah. Mahal dito. Because it's a very special occasion, so and then a pinch of salt, or depends sa ano taste niyo. Depende sa panagraman nga ko nanti Ilocano. And then kiwar, very gentle, dahil that's how it is. How long it takes you? Okay. So it's not a very long one. It's just a quick one. Pala ang pagluto ng shrimp. Yun na you have to learn. Simple thing like this. Cooking. But sometimes it's always a little bit. Kiwarok ka, no? Kiwarok ka, no? Pero gentle siya. Paano ba yung pagka-gentle mo? So, now I know na dahil kiniwar ko, so I know how to cook. Oh, diba? Kiwar, pero okay, leave it like that for a while, I think. Nag-assume. Okay, pag nakita daw na may sauce na ganiyan, so it means to say, ayan, means to say, it's cooked. Naluton iso na. Luto na siya. Oh, diba? So, it's ready. And we're going to have a seafood tonight for dinner, and that's all for today. Thank you. Have fun with us.